everyone. So we are already in the Dubuque, which is 3 more hours away from Chicago. Mag-unat-unat lang kami at saka naiihi na rin ako. 4 hours na kami nagda-drive guys, hindi kami nag-stop. Sobrang nakaka-boring yung daan kasi highway lang talaga, diretso lang, walang liko-liko, wala. Ito lang yung first na liko namin. Walang naging problema sa daan. May dalawa lang kaming nadaanan na roadworks pero at least yung speed sa tabi ng roadworks is only 55 miles, so okay pa rin. Which is dito kasi ang max is 65 miles dito sa highway dito. So, yung sa 55 miles is still okay. Pero, yun lang, dun lang kami na slow. Update sa gas natin. Yung 4 hours na drive namin, guys, ay saktong kalahati ng tangke namin. Ang full tank ng sasakyan namin is $100 or less. Parang ganun.
How long has it been? Feels like forever. Noticing everything. Like the hair on the wall. Food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined. Can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world? Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19th. So many different scenes. Growing from what I've seen. Everything's one routine. 19, staying in quarantine. Blame the 19, staying in quarantine.
Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling. Each of us both done in the crown. A king and a queen, royally bound.
BGC na tayo mga kapatid.
Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that the right to be nice. What we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fussing on fights, we'll keep and trust. And you make me wanna say I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Hey, I love
Hey
you
everyone! We are here in Chicago! May Max dito, may Ribbon, may Jollibee. Sana may mang inasal din. Sakto lang dating namin guys, 12:43. Na traffic kami, ang daming traffic dyan sa may bandang parang towns nila, sa mga cities nila. Hindi na kasi kami nag-interstate, pero next time mag-interstate na lang kami pag pauwi na kami para hindi na kami ulit mapunta sa mga ganong traffic area. Yes! Chicken, peach mango pie, chicken, spaghetti.
And bring the bottle tonight. Red wine to rewind all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign. Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like
finally, we are here in the hotel and yun lang, buntong hininga talaga sa Chicago. Pero kung sanay kayo sa City Drive na yung talagang gitgitan, ganon, you'll be fine here. And kung sanay kayo sa Manila driving na walang turn signal, swerve na lang sis, change lane na lang, tsaka para na lang ang nangyayari kanina sa interstate. Kailan ko nakakita ng ganong interstate, may para-parahan na nangyayari, pinapara na lang para mag-stop yung mga kasama. So we are here at Congress Plaza Hotel. And dito kami nag-check-in, guys, kasi the Philippine Consulate is only 15 minutes walk away from here. So bukas yung passport renewal ko. And if you're wondering how I booked this, we booked this for 2 days and it cost $315. Tapos, yung parking is $45 every 24 hours. So, para siyang lalabas siya na 400 something. I searched some hotels nearby. May mga mas mura sila, guys. Kaso yung parking nila, dun naman sila bumabawi. So, parang lalabas na mas mahal sila. So, what I did is just book this one. Kahit mas mahal yung hotel, pero mas mura yung parking. Para mas mura pa din yung parang total niya all in all. But if you don't have a car, you might want to check other hotels nearby. I will share the link of the booking.com kasi dun ko siya binook, guys. So if you're gonna use my link down below, you will get 10% off sa inyong booking. Ayan, di ba? Ang saya, 10% off. So parang $30 off din. Sayang din yun, pang ano din, pang meals. Ayan. I'll just gonna do a room tour dito. Very small lang siya na room. So, this is our room, guys. Ito yung entrance po niya. So, we got here double lock na hindi po din double lock ng aking asawa. Ayan. Tapos, syempre, meron naman po tayong evacuation plan. Tinignan ko nga kanina kung nasaan yung fire exit. And then, we got here a full-length mirror. So, when you turn to this side, the bathroom, ito naman siya. Ayan. Sakto lang. Pero mas malaki yung sa Holiday Inn dati na pinag-stay namin sa Tingway. Ayan. Tapos, yung mga freebies nila, there you go. Ganda naman yung ang ganda naman ng paglagay nila. Face soap, vanity kit. Aba, may vanity kit pa. Body soap, vanity kit, shampoo. Ay, naglagay-lagay pa ako kahapon. Naiwan ko lahat yung mga ganito, guys. Yung pinabili ko kay Mac. Ayan, tapos nilagay na yung mga gamit namin dyan. Tapos, hair dryer, kailangan namin yan. Dito naman sa left side ng hall is the closet. So, we got here our luggage, my bag. Tapos may ano din sila, hanger. And then here is the table na meron silang cups. And then, basurahan to. And then water. And then this is like, I think, the menu. Tapos yung aming take-out na Jollibee. And then they got here, coffee maker. And then they got a TV over there. And then upuan. Yung asawa ko. Pagod siya. Stress siya. Tapos ito yung bed, guys. Pasensya naman, hindi ko na yan mapapaalis. Ito yung bed nila. Chicago siguro yung painting na yan. Mahal, tingnan mo. Maganda. Tulog nakatalaga siya. And then we got here bedside tables with drawers na rin. So, dalawa, tas with lamp. And then another mirror here. And then ang view namin outside on this side is the L. Or yung train, something. So, it's a view of the city here. Ayan, parang lang tayo nga sa Manila, sis. Oh, ang ganda ng ano nila doon, oh. Look at that. Ang ganda ng ano, yung ibabaw ng building nila. Garden. Ano kayang tinanim nila dyan? Parang siyang garden. So, these are old buildings here. Kasi makikita mo, may kanya-kanya silang mga AC. Hindi sila centralized. Kasi dito sa Chicago is like an architecture building. Like, look at that. That one over there. Ayan. Parang ang ganda naman niya. Para siyang dragon. Yan. Ganda. So, yun lang, guys, yung travel namin for today and the hotel. I will end this vlog na kasi magpapahinga lang kami. Mamaya lalabas kami siguro mga 6 kasi maliwanag pa naman mga 6. Tapos maglalakad-lakad lang kami or pupunta siguro kami sa my pier. So, abangan nyo yung mga susunod na vlogs, guys, kasi marami po tayong mag-vlog ako dito araw-araw. Araw-araw? Parang daming araw sis nandito ka. 2 days lang kami sis. So, I'll see you guys next time and proceed na po tayo sa shoutout ng video na ito. Hi everyone! Thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po ang part ng vlog na ito. This is a shoutout time para po sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na free NCLEX review at joiecaabay.com. So sa mga naghahanap po ng mga free NCLEX review, you might wanna try joiecaabay.com kasi meron silang mga sample questions doon and SATA, ganyan. So madami silang mga questions. Shoutout lang po sa mga nag-comment. First is shoutout to Lady Joy, Bernadette Mitra, Gaming God. And then shoutout din kay SLTV 13 Channel. And then kay George Brown, Ronnie Caberto, Leia's Diary, Raymond Caberto, Yocam TV. Ano po ba dapat unahin? NCLEX or IELTS? NCLEX ang dapat mong unahin. Wag kang gagaya sa akin na inuna ko yung IELTS. And then shoutout din kay Carl Paulo at saka kay Ibrahim Hailil. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone for commenting and for supporting my vlog. Ayan. So, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak.